Wairarapa TV local news for Tuesday the 11th of April. The Greenpeace boat Taitu has intercepted the world's biggest seismic blasting ship, the Amazon Warrior, about 50 nautical miles off the Wairarapa coast. Greenpeace New Zealand Executive Director Russell Norman is on board and has made a call through to the master of the Amazon Warrior demanding it cease seismic blasting, informing them of the widespread opposition to oil drilling in New Zealand waters by local councils, iwi and large numbers of New Zealanders. Spark New Zealand and the 2020 Trust have announced that subsidised broadband is now available in the Wairarapa. The initiative targets students without broadband at home. Families with school-aged children and no current broadband connection are eligible for the program. They'll receive a modem and a wireless broadband connection and pay $15 for 30 gigabytes and no fixed-term contract. The Wairarapa REAP project is designed to help families set up and manage their internet connections as part of the Trust's digital literacy program. Interested families can now contact Wairarapa REAP to sign up for a Spark Jump session. And in sport and football from the weekends, Wairarapa United went down to Wellington Olympic in a bit of a goal fest. Final score there 4-3, and the women also suffered a defeat, unfortunately going down to Palmerston North Marist 9-0. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.